Okay, let's talk just very briefly a little bit about neck pain, shoulder pain, because I obviously get a lot of people, especially athletes, coming in saying, I don't know if I've got a shoulder problem or I've got a neck problem. And look, to be honest, you can have both, but it's important that you clear both of them. So in terms of assessment for the neck, it's quite simple here. What we're going to be looking at, obviously getting some thoracic extension there from Cal, is we want to go through their range of movement. So it's primarily we're going to tend to find most of the provocative movements will be either lateral flexion or rotation, or a combination of rotation and flexion together at the same time that may reproduce pain there if we're talking about the spine itself. We certainly do have muscles, and probably they're traps that love to refer down to the shoulder, but at the same time the shoulder, especially our supraspinatus muscle, loves to refer all the way up into the neck as well. So we can have two things coexisting together. We can also bring in levator scap, that'll also refer neck and shoulder pain as well. So all of these structures probably need to be looked at. And once again, if we're looking for shoulder tendinopathies, it shouldn't be difficult as well, because at the end of the day, if we've got irritated rotator cuff muscles, essentially what you'll find is that there will be pain on something like such as resisted adduction. So he's going to push down into my hand. Any pain on that? No? Okay. Pushing back up. Okay. That's the provocative movement there. May or may not have pain there. If we bring him round to the front here and we do what we call a Hawkins-Kennedy, does he have pain at the end? No? Okay, push up against me. Bang, if he has a rotator cuff, more than likely that will be sensitive as well. And then if we use what we call our empty can test, where we come horizontal flexion, full rotation here, okay, and then pushing up against me again, Cal, there'll be pain there again. So they're three really provocative tests that I look for true rotator cuff issues, okay? And they can refer to the neck, but at the same time, the neck can refer to the shoulder. So make sure you clear those structures and clear those ranges of movement.